Why wind turbines have three blades, not four or five? Have you ever looked at a wind turbine and wondered, why does it always have three blades? Not two, not four or five, just three. This simple question leads to a fascinating blend of science, engineering, and design principles. Let's explore the real reasons behind this clever choice and why it's not just about looks. So, the science of balance and efficiency. Wind turbines convert wind energy into electricity. The blades spin when wind passes over them, much like an airplane wing. If there are too few blades, like one or two, the turbine becomes unstable and noisy due to imbalance. But if we add too many blades, like four or five, the extra drag slows it down. Three turns out to be the sweet spot. It keeps the turbine balanced, efficient, and fast enough to generate useful energy. Why not two blades? Turbines with two blades are lighter and cheaper, and they can spin faster. That sounds great, right? But there's a catch. Two-bladed turbines experience more vibration and stress, especially when the blades move vertically through different wind pressures. This can damage the machine and make it wear out faster. Plus, faster spinning means more noise, which isn't great for people living nearby. So, although they work, they're not ideal for long-term, quiet, efficient energy generation. Why not four or five blades? More blades might seem like a good idea. You'd think they could catch more wind. But in reality, adding more blades creates more air resistance, or drag. That drag slows the turbine down. Think of trying to run with a parachute attached. More blades also make turbines heavier and more expensive to build and maintain. In fact, wind turbines with lots of blades, like old windmills, were great for pumping water, but not for generating electricity at high speeds. 3 is the perfect compromise. 3 blades give engineers everything they need: balance, smooth rotation, high speed, and low stress on the machine. It's the perfect compromise between performance and cost. Visually, 3 blades also create a smooth, symmetrical shape, which makes the turbine rotate steadily in all wind directions. It's not just smart, it's elegant engineering. Stability and aesthetics matter. There's another reason that's often overlooked: how the turbine looks and sounds. A 3-bladed turbine spins more slowly than a 2-bladed one, which is more pleasing to the eye and less disturbing to people living nearby. It's quiet, efficient, and steady. 3 qualities that matter in public places and energy farms. The physics behind the spin. When wind hits the blades, it creates lift, just like an airplane wing. Too many blades interfere with each other's airflow, lowering efficiency. With 3 blades, each one gets enough wind without disturbing the others. This spacing also helps keep the turbine light, which makes it easier and cheaper to install on tall towers. What about the future? Could we see 1-blade or 6-blade turbines in the future? Possibly, but only if there are major changes in technology or specific needs like portable wind devices or quiet urban solutions. For now, 3-blade turbines remain the industry standard and the best combination of all the important factors: power, price, durability, and design. Conclusion: more than just a number. So the next time you see a wind turbine spinning on a hillside or by the sea, remember, it's not just spinning randomly. The choice of 3 blades is the result of careful science and engineering. It's about getting the most power with the least resistance, while keeping everything quiet, steady, and strong. 3 blades might seem simple, but it's actually a genius choice driven by physics, not fashion. Like and subscribe.